Most people assume earning more money automatically solves financial stress. It sounds logical. If someone earning $40,000 struggles financially, then someone earning $150,000 should feel secure, relaxed, and completely in control of their future. But something strange is happening right now. Millions of high earners secretly feel just as financially stressed as people making far less money. Some even feel worse. A software engineer making six figures still checks their bank account nervously before paying bills. A doctor earning over $250,000 still feels trapped every month by obligations. Couples making over $180,000 a year still panic about layoffs, inflation, or unexpected expenses. And from the outside, none of this makes sense. These people look wealthy. They drive expensive cars. They live in beautiful neighborhoods. They take vacations. They wear expensive clothes. Their lives appear financially successful. But behind closed doors, many high earners are financially fragile. Today, I want to explain why high income no longer guarantees wealth, why so many high earners secretly feel broke, and the hidden financial trap quietly consuming people the moment their income rises. The biggest misconception about money is that income creates wealth. It doesn't. Income creates opportunity. What people do with that opportunity determines whether they become financially free or financially trapped. And this is exactly where many high earners get into trouble. The moment income rises, lifestyle expands immediately alongside it. A raise becomes a luxury apartment. A promotion becomes a luxury SUV. A bonus becomes an expensive vacation. A larger paycheck quietly turns into larger obligations. This process is called lifestyle inflation, and it is one of the most financially destructive behaviors in modern society because it happens gradually and emotionally. Nobody wakes up trying to become financially trapped. Each upgrade feels reasonable on its own. Better neighborhood, better schools, better furniture, better vacations, better restaurants, better experiences after years of working hard. But over time, these upgrades quietly create lives that become incredibly expensive to maintain. A person earning $220,000 while spending $205,000 is financially weaker than someone earning $70,000 while spending $40,000. But modern culture rarely talks about margin. It focuses almost entirely on visible income and visible consumption. This is why so many high earners feel trapped. Their lifestyles became too heavy. And the dangerous part is that many high earners do not even realize how fragile their financial situation actually is until something unexpected happens. A layoff, a recession, a medical emergency, a housing downturn. Suddenly, the expensive life that once felt exciting begins feeling terrifying. The modern high-income lifestyle is built around recurring obligations. Massive mortgages, luxury car payments, expensive childcare, private schools, high insurance costs, subscription services, constant upgrades, fine dining, convenience spending. And because high earners are surrounded by other high earners doing the same thing, the lifestyle starts feeling normal. This is one of the biggest financial illusions in modern society. People assume everyone around them is wealthy because everyone looks successful. But appearance and wealth are completely different things. Many high earners are simply financing expensive lifestyles with high monthly income while building very little actual long-term wealth underneath. And social media made this dramatically worse. High earners are now constantly exposed to even wealthier lifestyles online every single day. Luxury homes, designer clothes, exotic vacations, perfect kitchens, expensive gyms, first-class travel. Suddenly, a six-figure salary no longer feels impressive. It feels average. Comparison changes spending behavior psychologically. When people normalize luxury constantly, their definition of basic life becomes far more expensive. And over time, spending increases automatically without conscious thought. This is why some people making $300,000 still feel financially anxious constantly, not because they lack income, but because their expectations expanded endlessly alongside their income. The second major reason high earners feel broke is recurring expenses. Most people underestimate how dangerous recurring obligations become over time. A luxury apartment is not just rent. It creates higher furniture expectations, higher social expectations, higher dining expectations, and often higher spending in every category. A luxury car is not just transportation. It becomes insurance, maintenance, repairs, premium fuel, registration costs, and constant pressure to maintain a matching lifestyle around it. Every lifestyle upgrade creates an ecosystem of additional spending, and because these expenses arrive monthly, people emotionally normalize them. The spending becomes invisible. This is why many high earners feel confused about where their money actually goes every month. Nothing feels individually catastrophic, but everything combined becomes financially overwhelming. The third reason high earners feel broke is emotional exhaustion. High-income jobs often come with intense pressure, stress, long hours, and mental fatigue. And exhausted people spend differently. When someone works exhausting 60-hour weeks, convenience spending becomes emotionally attractive. Food delivery replaces cooking. Expensive vacations become necessary. Premium services feel justified. Shopping becomes emotional relief from stress. This creates a dangerous cycle. Stress increases spending. Spending increases obligations. Obligations increase stress. And modern companies profit enormously from this cycle. The entire convenience economy is built around exhausted professionals willing to pay premium prices to reduce friction in their lives. But over years, convenience spending quietly destroys financial flexibility. The fourth reason high earners feel financially trapped is delayed investing. Many people assume higher income automatically creates wealth over time. But income alone rarely builds wealth if investing is inconsistent. Some high earners spend decades making large salaries while investing very little because their lifestyles absorb almost every dollar earned. Meanwhile, other households earning far less quietly become financially independent because they aggressively protect investing and avoid excessive lifestyle expansion. This is why wealthy people often look surprisingly ordinary. Real wealth is usually invisible. It exists in investments, low obligations, flexibility, and ownership. Fake wealth is highly visible because it depends on appearance. And this creates another strange psychological trap. High earners often feel pressure to visibly look successful. Expensive neighborhoods, luxury cars, designer brands, upscale vacations. The lifestyle becomes part of their identity. But identity spending is incredibly dangerous financially because there is no finish line. There is always someone richer, someone with a bigger home, a better vacation, a newer car, more status, more luxury. If people build their financial lives around appearance, spending expands forever. The people who quietly become wealthy usually think differently. They optimize for freedom instead of status. They keep housing costs reasonable even when banks approve them for far more. They drive cars longer. They automate investing aggressively. They avoid unnecessary recurring obligations. They define enough early. This is one of the most important financial advantages anyone can develop. Knowing when you already have enough protects you from endless lifestyle inflation, because modern consumer culture constantly pushes high earners toward expansion. Bigger house, better neighborhood, more luxury, more upgrades, more experiences, more status. But every expansion reduces freedom slightly. And eventually, many high earners wake up realizing they built expensive lives instead of peaceful lives. The uncomfortable truth is that financial stress today is often less about income and more about obligations. High earners usually are not financially trapped because they earn too little. They are trapped because they expanded their lifestyles faster than they built actual wealth. And once monthly obligations become too large, even high salaries begin feeling fragile. This is why financially resilient people focus so heavily on margin. Margin creates flexibility. Margin creates peace. Margin creates freedom during emergencies, layoffs, recessions, or uncertainty. People who spend far below their income often look less impressive externally, but internally their lives are dramatically calmer. Meanwhile, many high earners secretly feel like they are sprinting endlessly just to maintain the lives they already built. The people quietly escaping this trap usually share a few behaviors. They invest before lifestyle spending begins. They avoid excessive upgrades. They resist social pressure better than average people. They prioritize low obligations over high appearances. And most importantly, they stop tying self-worth to visible consumption. Because the goal of money was never supposed to be endless consumption. It was supposed to create security, flexibility, and freedom. And ironically, many high earners accidentally destroy all three while trying to look successful. So before your next lifestyle upgrade, ask yourself one question. Is this purchase increasing my freedom or increasing my obligations? Because one path quietly builds long-term wealth. The other quietly creates financial pressure disguised as success. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Austin Invest for more videos on wealth psychology, financial freedom, and the hidden financial behaviors shaping modern life. And if you want to understand why the middle class keeps getting poorer, watch the next video on screen now.